1, 2, 3, start. Okay, all of you cover up. Hands cover. Inside. Up. Straight hands. Be active.
Anita Yadav, go a bit left side, right side, yeah. More.
Hands down. Second line, 1 second. Cover up. Allows also. Boys are always making the line. What type of line you are making? Just look at the back of your friends. I am saying frequently. Not listening. Hands down. Give your first school I will do. So I will be ready. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, get ready. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, cover up a little. Back to cover up. Akash. Inside. Swastika, hands up properly. Inside. Down. Steady. Same. Produce sound. All of you. Attention. Steady. Attention. Now it's time for the
Namaskar, I am Berman to all. As you all wish, we have come from grade 5 standing here to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of Mother's Day. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organizer to organize this type of program, which has increased the confidence level of the students. Now my topic was like this: Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a special day. It comes once in a year. My mother name is Sonia. She is about 33 years old. She is simple housewife. She is hardworking. She is healthy. She is smart, active, and beautiful. She always keeps on busy. She is friendly to all. She cooks food for me. Thank you, have a nice day.
The whole of respected Professor, Vice Professor, teachers, participants, and my dear friends. As you all know, my name is Islamah. And we are here to study for the future to deliver a sort of speech on the topic of
Yeah. Louder sound.
my favorite season. My favorite season is winter season because I like to wear warm clothes, water for the legs and relax. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you both the speakers for your speech. All of you, hands cover up and take your line. Swastika. Inside. Greenhouse, listening to me? Are you listening to me or not? Up. All of you, hands up. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Stop. Inside, hands down. Stay at ease. Be active. Attention. Stay at ease. Attention. Okay. Well. Okay, all of you stand at ease. So stand properly, all of you. So, well, dear students, previous week, Wednesday of the previous week, there was a handwriting competition, English handwriting competition, and the result of the English handwriting competition, senior and junior both are with me, and I am going to announce the result. So, first of all, before that, I would like to request our respected principal sir to hand over the prize to the winners. And I would like to call on the stage. Similarly, I would like to request our respected Vice Principal sir to put on Jiga to those winners. All of you, listen. So let me announce the result of the English handwriting competition from the junior. Let me start from the third position. From junior, third position has been deserved by, she is from class 4 and she is none other than Rita Nepali. Please put your hands together. Similarly,
Rita, come fast. What are you doing?
I would like to request all of you to come fast on the stage.
Congratulations, Rita.
So congratulations to Rita. Similarly, second position is secured by, deserved by is from grade 5 and he is none other than Dhiraj Pandit. Please come forward.
What is your name?
And first position is Dizabai, Miss Jamuna Nagarkoti from grade 6. Many congratulations all the winners. Once again give them big round of applause. All of you please. Now let me announce the result of senior students who has got first, second and third positions in the handwriting competition. And third position is deserved by Miss Nisa Sivakoti from grade 9. Please come on the stage. Nisa.
Hurry. Yeah, that's it.
And second position is deserved by none other than Samrakshan Pandit from grade 8. All of you please join your hands together. Congratulations to you. Now finally, first position from the seniors is deserved by Saksham Timalchina from grade 8. Please come forward, Saksham. Big round of applause. Congratulations. Many congratulations to those winners. Once again, please put your hands together for them. Okay, I'd like to congratulate once again to all the winners, and would like to thanks to all our respected principal and vice principal sir for the assistance. Okay, cover up all of you. Inside this yellow outline, boys, you don't know how to stand on the line. Hands up. Up. Swastika around you. Shreya, look at the front. Hands down. Stand at ease. So much lazy. Attention. Stand in. Attention. Okay. Now for some informations, I would like to welcome our respected vice principal.
Thank you very much, Professor. Cover up. Side. Up. Stretch your hands. Stretch well, don't look sideways. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Only this side, like what is the type of sound is this? Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. So, today is Friday. Tomorrow holiday. It is obvious, but you have to practice. Already routine is given. Syllabus, you know it. There are lots of question and answers to practice. Write and remember. I have noticed some of the students, they read like silent reading. Silent reading is not sufficient. While reading, try to sound. What you are reading, you must know. Only looking at the letters doesn't matter. Point out and read and inculcate in your mind. And practice time and again. If you have got long hair, please trim. If your dress is not up to date, maintain it. If it has become very old, buy a new one. Focus on home routine. Say yes to social media or school media. What do you say? What do you say? Yes to social media or yes to school media?
School media.
School media, yes. No to social media. Because of social media, your study has gone down and down. We have noticed. Lots of things are in your book. Just grasp it and do better. And classroom should be silent, neat and clean, and follow the instructions given by teachers. Next week we will provide the prize of quiz contest and impromptu speech competition. So today and Sunday, those participants will practice, and Monday there is grand finale of impromptu speech. Be ready. I request you to participate in minimum 5 ECAs. Out of 15 ECAs, you can take part in 5. Not all students, so there must be mastership in the events. Be master in your activity. And Tuesday and Friday, these are games days, and you are allowed to choose only one game. If you have played on Friday, you are not allowed to play on Tuesday. So which games we are focusing? Basketball, cricket, badminton, table tennis. Choose your game and participate in it. There must be mental, physical, and social development. Attention! Cover up. Side. Up. Clap. And side. Hands down. Studies. Attention. Okay, total house boys, move forward. And